Okay, nandito kami sa Dalampasigan. Oh, hindi tayo. Ito yata, Bobby, yung ano eh, mga parang binibenta na ano. Lumot. Oh, it's really been a while, oh. Since the last time nakapunta ako sa ganito. Hindi, oh. Dito sa ano. Dito sa Asturias. So, currently, ano naman dito, low tide, so wala naman kami magawa. So, punta na lang kami dito. Mami, ano to? Sponge, ano? This is a sponge, sponge coral, ganon? Or sponge lang daw. Oh, okay. Eh. So, basically, let me just clean myself and then remove further dito sa ano. Nagdala kami ng ano, mask and snorkel just in any case na magano kami, maligo yung mga bata, so at least they can check ano yung itsura ng sea. So currently hindi naman ganun kadami yung nag-ano dito, nanginginhas, pero this one is what they call, I think, a $100. Bobby, $100 to, no? $1. Me too. This one is fairly new. Oh, you hold this one down. Wow, that one still has like the feet. Okay. And this is a coral. Yeah. Oh, a small star. Ayan siya. Tapos I don't know what is this. Oh, this is a live $1. Yan, live $1. Kasi normally nakikita mo dito is mga mga patay na $1. But this one, this is how it looks like. Hey, look at this. Ayan. So moving. And then, well, there's really a lot. Oh, you look at this. Oh, what is that? Ayan, may laman yan. Ayan, marami mga dito, mga maganda yung dalampasigan ng Asturias, kasi madaming talaga mga pwedeng makita. Medyo meron ditong sanctuary. Yeah. That's why maganda dito. Ayun lang. Asturias is a very province place. So walang McDonald's, walang Jollibee. Gusto mo mag Jollibee, kailangan mag-travel ng mga 11 kilometers away from here. Bago ako makakain sa Jollibee. Oh, look at this. Babi, anong tawag dito ulit? This one, oh. Itong ano ba? Sea cucumber daw to siya. Pero siya, medyo sticky. And then there. I think this is also a sea cucumber. Oh yeah, this is a sea cucumber. Wait, let me check. Oh yeah. Eto, Bobby, sea cucumber din to?
Basta yung parang soft pan.
Ayan. So, nabili ko na siya. So Sa ano. Look at this, oh. Ang daming ano. Kung pwede lang ito pang ano eh, kuskus sa ano eh, katawan, no. Pwede ba ito ipang kuskus sa katawan, Bobby? Pwede ba ito ipang kuskus sa katawan? Ano, yeah. That's how it is. So, let's see kung ano pa yung pwede natin makita dito. Ayan eh. Ayan po. Para siyang ano eh, nakakatakot kasi parang ano siya, madikit. Pero just full of water lang naman. Ayan o. Ayan. Really? Let me check. So, medyo mahaba yung ano dito. Mahaba yung dalampasigan dito kasi mahaba talaga. Hindi ko lang bakit eh. What is that, Dong?
This is cucumber.
You see? Oh, nice. We now have a food
No, you're not.
for dinner. Kuya Ori, you keep it, ha? So we can eat later. Huh? Para siya nakakatakot eh. Look at this, oh. Para siyang ano. Ayan siya, oh. Para siyang ahas pero hindi naman talaga siya ahas. May mga ano dito. $1 and ano. Kung ano-ano. Wala, Kuya Oreo, look at this dong. Oh. This one is a big one though. Come here. Oh? This one is a big ano. Sea cucumber, oh. Mukha lang siyang ano eh. Ay. Oh, Bobby, oh. Di ba sea cucumber to, no? Oh, nice. So, nakakita ako ng sea cucumber. So, yeah, you can keep this and maybe we can eat this later. No, Mommy, no. We're going to eat this later ba? I'm actually just joking. This one is a big starfish. So, yeah, that's how they look like. Oh, ayan, nagpo-close sila. So, let's put it there sa natural habitat nila. Oh, another one. Starfish. And then, oh, this one looks, different color. Starfish. Yeah. Starfish. Of course, we don't normally touch them kasi to protect their habitat. And you look at this starfish. Another starfish. What is this? This one looks like just a coral. Another starfish, a big one.